Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case decided by Honorable Delhi High Court. The issue in the present case was related to the non-compete fees received by the assessee from his competitor through an agreement in which it was agreed by the assessee with his competitor that he will not engage in any business, whether directly or indirectly, for a period of 10 years, and for this the assessee has received an amount of rupees 8 crore. According to the assessee, this non-compete fees received by the assessee is a capital receipt and it is not a revenue receipt. This issue has been taken that whether this receipt is a capital receipt or revenue receipt has been taken up by Delhi High Court in the case of CIT versus Saeed Mustafa Sherwani, and this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 777, and the date of the judgment is 13th September 2023. The present case is related to the assessment year 1920, and in the present case the assessee has received an amount of rupees 8 crore for entering into a non-compete fees agreement with his competitor that he will not do any business, or he will be restrained from doing any business, whether directly or indirectly, and he will not indulge in any business which is related to his competitor WSIL. According to the assessee, this amount was capital receipt and the assessee took this amount directly to his capital and didn't pay tax on this. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officer was of the view that if the assessee has carried his business for a period, then in that case also the assessee would have paid tax on this. So just because the amount has been received in a lump sum, this amount cannot escape the tax liability. When this matter was before the CIT appeal said that the whole agreement of the non-compete fees was a camouflage for payment of money or transfer of business. So the assessee carried this matter to the higher levels, and at the High Court level, in the present case, the High Court observed that in the present case the assessee has been restrained both directly and indirectly from undertaking any business which would compete with the business of his competitor WSIL. The Delhi High Court was of the opinion that in the present case the assessee's source of income has been claimed for a period of 10 years, and when the CIT appeal was hearing this matter, then even before him there was no material to conclude that the non-compete fees was a camouflage for the transfer of any business. So in the present facts and circumstances, the whole source of income of the assessee has been wiped out for 10 years, and this lump sum amount which has been received by the assessee for entering into a non-compete fees agreement with his competitor WSIL. So from the facts and circumstances, it can be easily said that, and from the pursual of the non-compete fees agreement, it can be said that whatever the amount has been received, which in the present case is 8 crore, is not a revenue receipt and it is a capital receipt. Friends, this case is very important because at the face it may attract the assessing officer to treat this amount as a revenue receipt and take tax on this. But although every case is a separate case, the facts of one case can be different from another case. So if any assessee has received any non-compete fees for restraining himself from entering into any business with his competitor, then this case can be very helpful for those assessees. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax versus Saeed Mustafa Sherwani, and this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 777, and the date of the judgment is 13th September 2023. Friends, at the end I want to say that before relying on any judgment, we should read the full judgment, because even a smallest change in the facts can turn the whole case either in favor of the assessee or against him. So it is always very advisable that one should read the full judgment. Thank you, friends.